Yes, so we done lost another one. Woo. Our content creation equipments are going. Yes. Yes. I am not trying to market these people because they did not pay me for this. Boss the ring lights. Hey, they buy you. Yes. Woo. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Rechargeable. Woo. So let's unbox right now. 1, 2, 3. Our own rechargeable. Yeah. Rechargeable. So I think this is where goodbye. There's a place they say they used to set it though. What's this one for? Okay. So let's on the lights. This is the charging ports. This is where you charge it. It's rechargeable. You charge it here, and this is where you on the lights. This is the plus sign to increase the light, and this is to reduce it. So let's on the light. Oops. Yeah, let's increase the light. So I think this is changed over. Different color. Yeah, 3 colors. So this is to reducing. Wow. Holy, I'm not off here. I thought I had not mountain issue. Okay, when you want to off, this is on. You want to off, wow.